An instructional manual for making aluminum foil. Introduction. Aluminum foil is a material that can be used for a variety of purposes, including packaging, insulation, and the kitchen. Did you know that you can make aluminum foil at home as well as buy it in stores? In this article, we will direct you through the most common way of making your own aluminum foil utilizing a basic and clear technique. Supplies required: aluminum sheet or foil scraps, sledge or hammer, smooth, level surface, sandpaper, medium and fine coarseness, gentle cleanser or dish cleanser, water, clean fabric or towel, moving pin or barrel-shaped object, wax paper or cling wrap. Stage 1. Preparation. Gather aluminum scraps or an aluminum sheet to begin. Make certain that the aluminum is clean and devoid of any contaminants or dirt. On the off chance that is important, wash the aluminum sheet with a gentle cleanser or dish cleanser, and flush it completely with water. Dry the sheet utilizing a spotless material or towel. Step 2. Flattening the aluminum. Place the sheet of aluminum on a flat, smooth surface. Tap the sheet gently with a hammer or mallet to flatten it. Be careful not to tear or puncture the aluminum. This procedure should be repeated until the sheet is as flat as possible. Step 3. Smoothing the surface. To accomplish a smoother surface, utilize medium coarseness sandpaper to sand the two sides of the aluminum sheet. Apply light pressure as you move the sandpaper in a circular motion. This will make the surface more even and assist in removing any flaws. Use sandpaper with a finer grit to continue enhancing the smoothness. Step 4. Rolling the aluminum. Now that the aluminum sheet has been flattened and smoothed, it is time to roll it into the foil. Wrap the sheet in wax paper or plastic wrap and place it on a clean, flat surface. This will keep the aluminum from adhering to the moving pin. Beginning from one end, roll the aluminum sheet firmly and uniformly utilizing a moving pin or a tube-shaped object. Step 5. Refining the foil. After rolling, inspect the surface of the aluminum foil by carefully unrolling it. Use your hands or a hammer to gently tap the foil to smooth out any wrinkles or uneven areas. If necessary, repeat the rolling process until the aluminum foil is uniform and smooth. Step 6. Final touches. When you're happy with how your homemade aluminum foil looks, use scissors or a sharp knife to cut it into manageable pieces. The foil can be utilized at any time by being stored in a dry, clean location. Conclusion. Making your own aluminum foil can be a fun and economical activity. You can turn aluminum scraps or sheets into foil that can be used for a variety of things by following the steps in this guide. When working with tools, remember to take safety precautions and make sure the aluminum is free of any contaminants. So, the next time you need aluminum foil, think about making your own and enjoy the satisfaction of doing things yourself.